Hello. Today we will talk about organ and organ system level. In our previous lecture we studied the tissue level. Let's talk about organ and organ system level in detail. Firstly, we will discuss about how organs are formed. In higher multicellular organisms, more than one type of tissue having related functions are organized together and make a unit, called organ. What is the function of organ? Different tissues of an organ perform their specific functions, and these functions collectively become the function of that organ. For example, stomach is an organ specialized for the digestion of proteins and for storing food. Types of tissues present in stomach. Two major types of tissue are present in its structure. Epithelial, also called glandular tissue, and muscular tissue. Function of epithelial or glandular tissues in stomach. Epithelial, also called glandular tissues, secretes gastric juice for the digestion of proteins. Function of muscular tissue, tissues in stomach. Muscular tissue performs contractions of stomach walls for grinding of food and moving food to posterior end. How stomach, that is organ, perform function. When two tissues perform their specific functions, which collectively become the function of stomach. This diagram shows that how two tissues are performing their work and their collective action becomes the function of stomach, that is digestion. Epithelial tissues secretes gastric juice and muscular tissue performs contractions of stomach walls for grinding of food. The next level of organization in multicellular organisms is the organ system level. Let's talk about organ system. Different organs performing related functions are organized together in the form of an organ system. Role of organ in organ system. In an organ system, each organ carries out its specific function, and the functions of all organs appear as the function of the organ system. For example, digestive system is an organ system that carries out the process of digestion. Organs that help in digestion. Major organs in its framework are oral cavity, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, and pancreas. All these organs help in the process of digestion. Organ system level complexity. The organ system level is less complex in plants, for example, root system, and more complex in animals. This is due to a greater range of functions and activities in animals than in plants. In our next class we will discuss the next level of organization, that is individual level. Thank you.